Welcome to the official channel VideoProc Vlogger. This is Carol. As what you see in the video intro, in today's video, we're going to show you how to make a quick suspense video trailer, and I hope this will be helpful for you. Make sure you free download the software through the link we put in the description box down below. Alright, now let's get into today's video. When creating a video trailer, there are two important tips you must go into. The first is to extract the best image of the video, so that you can demonstrate the main theme of your video within just a few image frames. Launch your software. Create a new project. Import a prepared video clip. Then, let's do a structure design based on the theme. For example, I want to open the trailer with a couple of young people holding the fire sticks, and add some close-ups here. Then move the scenes to another stranger throwing a fire stick. Then lead to the police car. And finally, here comes an investigation scenario. This constitutes the main images of the whole trailer. The next part, which is also important to produce a trailer video, is the active space, or say the white space. Well, to put it simple, it means using the black screen to give the audience something to imagine. For example here, I want to leave the white space after the scene of the man throwing the fire stick, and also after the scene of the police car. Drag them to the overlay track. And select a clip. Click on the split tool to cut off the lengthy scene where the fire stick is thrown to the ground. Then we put the screen directly on black. Then switch to a police car. Similarly, adjust the white space part after the police car image. Finally, we show the investigation scenario again. Apart from that, you can also add some transitions following your own ideas. For example, I want to add a transition effect at the beginning of the trailer. Find a transition icon in the top left. Click on it. Find a fade preset. Drag and drop it to align the first frame. Then, adjust the duration of the transition. As of now, we have completed the whole graphic design of the trailer. After finishing the graphic design, we move to the sound design, which is also an indispensable part. Let's do some epic sound to create a sense of suspense in the trailer. Here I imported 3 different types of sound effects. Atmosphere sound effect, ambient textures, and transition sound effect. Well, if you want to dig deep into this sound effect and learn what they can do to your video, go check out the related videos made in our channel, and I will put a link in the upper right corner of the screen. Let's do atmosphere sound effect first. I choose an audio that sounds like an air shaft, which could bring tension to your video. Drag it into the audio track. Go to the inspector on the right and add a fade-out effect to it. Next, add appropriate ambient sound for each screen. Find the plus icon on the far left of the audio track. Click on it to add several audio tracks. Then, drag in the sound of the motorcycle to the first corresponding 2 image frames, and make the sound last a little longer. And add a fade-out effect to it. Then, drag in the sound of the police siren and the talking sound of the police officer. Here we could use a J-cut. Move the siren sound forward to create the effect of the siren alarming when the screen is black. Then, we add a roar sound of the animals and the people screaming to the investigation scene to further enhance the tension and excitement sense of the trailer. At last, let's work on the transition sound. We add a heavy hit sound effect to the opening of the trailer, which could immediately bring the audience into the image scene. This is also a common technique used to produce trailer videos. Then, we use a hit sound effect again to the scene of the main throwing to accentuate the plot. At the switching point between the black screen and the police car here, we add a whoosh sound to smoothen the transition. Then in the scene of the police car, we use riser and hit sound effect to create an illusion that the story is coming to an end to enhance the leisure sense of the trailer. And in the end of the investigation, let's give a hit sound effect to strengthen the atmosphere. Now, let's check out the result. Now that the trailer has taken shape, let's add some text to the trailer. For example, here in the black screen, find the text icon on the toolbar. Click on it, then adjust the duration in the subtitle track. Add the theme you want to express in the inspector upper right. Select the font. Adjust the font size. Shadow property. And don't forget to add a fading effect to the image, which you could find in the animation area. Finally, click on the Show Hide Layout rectangle here at the bottom of the preview window to adjust the size and the position. In addition, let's add a subtitle track. We add a text of "coming soon" or sort of the words. So now, a simple but cinematic suspense trailer is complete. Alright, this is the end of today's video about how to create a trailer video with VideoProc Vlogger. I think you've got it. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. We will roll out more tutorials about sound design. Hope you enjoy.